tap to trade. See, this is this here. When you come here, log and can come and tap on tap to trade. I've been asked several times how to do tap to trade. So this is it. Can you see it's counting? You have 1 minute to 22 seconds remaining. So most time it's 2 minutes. So we come here, tap on approve. You have 2 minutes to decide or not. Tap on approve, and once you tap on approve, it's open up. It will now, okay, this particular tap to trade, it now asks you to change the lot size. So you come here and go back, put 0.01 as lot size. Very important. This is how to take tap to trade. Once you have changed the lot size, remember that's the most important key. You now tap on approve trade. Tap on approve trade. It will allow you to load. Success. You have successfully approved this trade. To manage your trade, please check your connected trading account. So once you have done this, this is how you can do tap to trade. You log in into your AkashX app. You click on tap to trade. You come up here. It's loading. You come up here. You click approve and set the lot 0.01 and click approve. Once you show sources, you now go to your trade locker. This is the trade locker here. The trade locker is still opening. It will allow you to open. So this is for those who are doing tap to trade. You go to your trade locker. Make sure you have logged in to your trade locker before. So you come on, click on trade. Come and click on trade here. Okay, it's like the trade have not yet triggered. It's still counting. Okay, all right. It's on sell euro slash JPY. It trigger. Let me come and monitor it here. This is how you can monitor it in your trade locker. So once you come here, this where it will show. Like because my network is not showing, so that's where you can monitor it from here. You can monitor the trade from your end here. So look at it here. Look at the trade here. Euro JPY. So this is where I can come and monitor it. As I enter it through tap to trade, this is it. Or euro Japanese yen. So it has shown now. This is where I can monitor it. You can come and edit. You can come and close it if it's on profit. So basically, this is how you can do tap to trade. It's very simple. With this tap to trade, you can qualify for your first and second challenge if you take it serious and follow the steps. And I've done videos on what you need to do before you start tap to trade. A video on how or what you need to do, the videos you need to watch. So check it up here. If you not watch those videos, you see it up here or at the end of this video. Watch those videos to learn more. As I didn't tap to trade to qualify, learn how to trade a lot and also how to monitor your tap to trade very well. It's very, very important you do that. So I think we have covered enough here in this particular video. So watch the other video on how you can learn more as you're earning. So let's meet in the next video. Thank you. My name is Emmanuel. Look, share this video to your members, to your prospects, to how you can learn how to do tap to trade and to watch the other videos to learn. Catch you in the next video. Please subscribe. I forgot to subscribe. Smash the like button if you are following in this video. Smash the like button, smash it and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload such important content, you can get the latest updates. Let's make money together in the forex market. Catch you in the next video.